Okay, hello everyone. Guys, we're going to graph 6 functions that are in vertex form. And they're all quadratics. Okay. First thing you got to do is find the vertex. And guys, when they're in vertex form, it's pretty easy. Again, it's an HK. Right, the vertex is the HK. Right, but remember, this says -4. It's the opposite. It's really 4. And the K is exactly what that says. That says -2. Then it's -2. Remember, just kind of look at this and say this is the opposite of what's inside here by the x and exactly what's outside here, okay? So I just count over here 4 and down 2. There's the vertex right there, okay? And then, guys, I use this quadratic. There's like a step function. Right, I'll kind of do it like, show you. It's 1, 1, and then 1, 3, 1, 5, and that should be enough. Okay, and this is multiplied times the a. Well, in this case, a is 1. So you can go over 1, up 1, and then from here, over 1, up 1, 2, 3, and that's enough. And then just do the other side. It's like a mirror, again, so it's a quadratic, it's like a mirror. So this one's right here. And then you can draw it. Flat on the bottom. And then it goes up, up, up like that. Flat on the bottom. Comes down, flattens out. It's not a V, it's a U. All right, something like that. All right, let's look at the next one. All right, this says +4 right here. So we know that's -4. This says +1, so it's +1. It's 1. All right? So go back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, negative, up 1. It's right there. All right? And then we can use our step function again because a here is 1. So I just go over 1, up 1. And then from this second dot, I go over 1, up 1, 2, 3. And then again, over 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we don't have to do that. And then just make the other side. The other side would be a mirror on the other side, so this one is right there. And then you can make flat on the bottom, and just curve it up, kind of like that. Curve it up, kind of like that. Now, guys, I understand that you can use Desmos. I get it. I just want to show you some doing them by hand, okay? There's only 6 of them. If you want to print the worksheet, it's in there, and you can do them yourself. All right, this one's got a 2 in front, so we'll take a look at it. Anyway, first find the vertex. Inside here, that says +4, so it's the opposite, so it's -4. Outside here, it says -1. Okay, that's -1 then. Whatever the outside says, the inside is the opposite. Inside these parentheses is opposite. But the one on the outside is exactly what it says. All right, so -4, -1. It's right down here. Now this one goes up faster, twice as fast. So remember, over 1, but instead of up 1, because in this case, a is 2. Everything's going to be times 2. So now this becomes 2. Instead of 1 and 3, now that becomes 6. All right? It's different than this. This becomes 1, 6, 10. All right? I don't think I'm going to get that far. Over 1, up 2. Over 1, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right there. Okay? So do the other side right there. And then up right there. All right, flat on the bottom again. So it's kind of rounded up. Kind of rounded up. Kind of like that. All right, we're halfway done. So it's a negative. It's upside down. All right, and inside here it says -4. So that means the vertex starts at 4. That's the x-coordinate. That says +1, so it's 1. 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, up 1. It's right there. That's the vertex. Okay? Now this is upside down. Negative, so it's coming down this way. And do the same step function we used before. Again, negative 1. It's just negative 1. So over 1, down 1. Over 1, down 1, 2, 3. Like that. And then make the other side. Right there. All right? And flat on the top this time, and then round it down like that. Round it down like that. There we go. All right, 2 more to go. This one's got a negative 2 in front. That says plus 4, so we know we start with negative 4. That says negative 1, so we know it's negative 1. Okay. Again, opposite of inside, exactly outside. So negative 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, negative 1 is right there. All right, it's negative 2. So it's going to come down like this twice as fast. So over 1, down 2. And over 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right like that. 6. So make this side flat on the top, round it down, kind of like that. Looks pretty good. Our last one is also negative 2 in front. The inside says negative 1. That means it's 1. The outside says positive 1. Yep, so that means the y coordinate is also 1. So it's 1, 1, right there. Again, use the step function, but now it's times 2. So over 1, down 2. Over 1, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, make the mirror, make the other side. It's symmetric, so you can make a mirror. Flat on top and round it down. Again, it's a U. It's not a V. It's a U. Okay? There, guys, I did those. And again, if you want to just use Desmos, I can live with that. All right? But why don't you practice a couple by hand? Just at least be able to find the vertex. Okay? All right, guys, that's it. Thanks.